people think, well, is there anything new you can find in manuscripts, or don't we know all the manuscripts that are out there? Well, in 1975 on Mount Sinai, there was a fire. And Archbishop Damianos, the one in this picture, he was a young monk, and they put out the fire, and they noticed that the wall where the fire was fell down, collapsed. And then they dug through the part where the wall collapsed and found another room, and found on the room many fragments of manuscripts. And it turns out that these were, some were immediately, they could recognize them as Greek manuscripts with script that's dating from the 8th or 7th century, some folios that are from the 4th century, missing folios of some biblical codices, and thanks to the help of scholars, for example, from this palimpsest project, they even discovered manuscripts written in a language that they knew existed, but had no witnesses except for inscriptions in stone. Caucasian Albanian, so a language that's near Georgia and Armenia. So never say never when it comes to manuscript studies. Also thanks for liturgy in Jerusalem, this discovery was extremely important because the area was walled off probably in the 16th or 17th century, I don't remember the exact date, and they had put various manuscripts, the monks had put various manuscripts in this room because they didn't want to dispose of them, but they didn't know what to do with them because they were either damaged or they reflected some kind of liturgical tradition that said, well, we don't do it anymore like this, so let's just put it over here. And in fact, these were, the majority of these manuscripts, sometimes in a very tattered condition, were exact witnesses in Greek of texts that we knew existed only through Georgian or Armenian translations.